This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so this is a quick tip on how to add a favicon to your WordPress. A favicon is what you see in the top tabs, and as you can see I have a few tabs open, and these are what the favicons look like. It gives you users an easy way to navigate their tabs to know what site they're on. So there's a couple ways you can do this, and usually it depends on the theme that you're using. The default way to do is go to Appearance and Customize. And once you're in the customization panel, you're going to see Site Identity. Once in Site Identity, you're going to see Site Title, Tagline, and Site Icon. Site Icon is the same thing as a favicon. It's what you see in the browser tabs or bookmark bars and within the WordPress mobile apps. So this is where you can add your favicon, and they recommend that it's square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. So that's where you can add your favicon. You can also add it, depending on your theme, right into your theme options, and I can show you that. I have the extra theme, and if I go to theme options, you're going to see in the general tab, I have my logo, and I also have my favicon. So I can upload my favicon straight to here, and it will pop up once it's uploaded in my browser tab. Hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.